Chapter 12, Electricity and Circuits. In today's class, we are going to cover the following topics: electric cell, electric bulb, electric circuit, conductors and insulators, electric safety measures. Before we go into the lesson, first understand the basic terms in electricity. Electricity and electric current are relative terms, but both are different. What is mean by electricity? It is a form of energy which can be changed into other energy forms. Then what is electric current? It is a flow of electricity. Why do we require it? It plays an immense role in our day-to-day life. It is used for lighting purpose, heating purpose, and for running domestic electronic appliances. It is useful to us in many ways. But from where do we get electricity? Electricity is made at a generating station by huge generators. Generating station can use wind, coal, natural gas or water. From substation, the current is sent through transformers to reach our homes. Sources of electricity. A device that can be used to produce an electric current is called a source of electric current. For large scale production, power station is used. Common sources of electric current are cells and batteries, which comes in various shapes and sizes. Let us take a look inside a dry cell. The dry cell contains a paste of ammonium chloride inside a zinc container. Inside the paste, a cardboard container which contains powdered manganese dioxide and carbon is placed. A chemical reaction takes place between ammonium chloride paste and powdered manganese dioxide. A rod, usually made of carbon, fitted with a metal cap, is dipped into the manganese dioxide. The whole thing is then sealed so that the contents do not spill out. Every source of electric current has two terminals or ends where conducting wires are connected to draw electric current. The tip of the metal cap and base of the zinc can are called the positive and negative terminals of the dry cell respectively. The combination of two or more than two cells is called battery. Next we are going to see about an electric bulb. The outer covering is called glass mount. The part of the bulb which glows is called filament and it is made up of tungsten. Inside the glass mount, it is filled with inert gases called argon. At the base, they have metallic case and metallic tip. These two things are said to be the terminals of an electric bulb. Next one is electric circuit. A path for an electric current to flow is called an electric circuit. Electric current flows in a particular direction. In an electric circuit, the current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the electric cell. The components of the circuit are cell, bulb, wire, and switch. Let's see the role of each component in the circuit. First one, electric cell. It is the source of electricity which produces energy, electrical energy by means of chemical reaction. Second one, electric bulb. It is a device which glows when electricity is passed through the filament. Electric switch. We use electrical switches to put on or off the electrical devices and machines. But do you know how it works? It is used to open or close the circuit. When we open an electric circuit, the flow of electric current in the circuit stops. And when we close an electric circuit, an electric current flows through it. Last one, electric wire. It acts as a path or key and also connect the components of the circuit. An electric wire is a conducting path in a circuit through which current flows. It is usually made out of a metal that is a good conductor of electricity. Types of circuit. Did you observe two types of circuit in the picture? They are open circuit and closed circuit. A circuit where connections are not complete is called open circuit, whereas a circuit with all connections complete is called closed circuit. Why do we use conductors and insulators in making electrical appliances? Let us see now. Materials which allow the electric current to pass through them are called conductors. Most of the metals are conductors like gold, silver, copper, etc. Beside metals, moist air, salt solution, impure water are also conductors of electricity. Our body is also a good conductor of electricity. Materials which do not allow electric current to flow through them are called insulators. Example, mica, dry hair, pure water, ebonite, glass, wood, etc. This is the reason why we are using both conductors and insulators in building up electrical appliances. For example, even wires are made of copper conductor and it is covered with rubber insulation to prevent electrical injury. Electricity can be very dangerous if you do not handle electrical devices carefully. Here are some of the electric safety measures. Do not touch bare wires or electrical contacts unless you are firmly sure that they are de energized or unplugged. An electric circuit is not a toy. Never try to check it. If there is a fire in the household appliances due to electricity, do not try to extinguish with water. Do not touch electrical appliances or wires with wet hands. Monitor the humidity in rooms where there is electricity. So I conclude that the discovery of electricity was a turning point of history because without it, we wouldn't live in the world, especially in this crazy changing world where things are being invented